Alice, now open another present from Daddy. Open it. What are those? What's that?
I'm going to show you.
Is that another pair?
No.
What are those?
I think it's a fly.
What are they?
It's a fly. A pair of flips.
Are those more Skechers?
Yeah.
Do you love Skechers? Look at the camera and show Daddy. Show Daddy your shoe. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say I love you.
Love you.
You gonna try them on so he can see them on your feet?
Yeah. I think Daddy don't fit me.
Come here, I'll help you. Stand up. Alright, I'm gonna help her. We'll be back in a minute.